Aloha, dear sister, I'm Kaleo, and I want to ask you something. Do you ever lie awake at night with that voice in your head telling you you're not enough, you're not smart enough, you're not young enough, you're not valuable enough anymore? Or maybe you wake up exhausted, even after a full night's sleep, and you feel like you've given so much to others for so long that you don't even really know who you are anymore. I know that ache. I have woken up in the middle of the night many times. And what I discovered, though, changed everything. Ancient Hawaiian teachings that showed me how to transform that inner critic into an inner ally. How to remember my self-worth instead of constantly questioning it. This is living aloha. And it's not just a nice idea. It's a practice that can literally change your life. For over 35 years, I've studied, practiced, and shared these ancient Hawaiian teachings. And they helped me personally to go from a woman who had literally lost her true self, silenced by early trauma, drowning in self-criticism, and shape-shifting into what others wanted me to be, to someone whose Hawaiian name that was given to her by her Hawaiian family, reflecting her true self, literally means the warm and comforting voice of the heavens. And here's what matters to you. If you're a woman in midlife or beyond, maybe that critical voice never quiets down. Maybe in having given so much that when someone asks, what do you want now? You honestly don't know anymore, or maybe you never knew. Maybe you're feeling invisible in a world that seems to value you less and less with each passing year. That's why I'm offering a special workshop on October 22nd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Living Aloha for the Wise Woman, from Inner Critic to Self-Worth. And in this 75-minute virtual intimate gathering, you'll discover what the Hawaiian ancient teaching of Aloha means and how it transforms your relationship with yourself. Why the Hawaiian language itself was specifically designed to create self-worth and unlimited possibility. Practical and doable tools to quiet your inner critic. How to speak to yourself with the same love you offer your best friend. Simple daily practices to remember your self-worth and step into your wise woman power. This isn't theory. These are practices that I live by every day and that I've seen transform the lives of women just like you. The investment is $44. And if you register by October 16th, the early bird price is just $37. Space is limited to 16 women because I want to make this feel intimate, like we're gathering in someone's living room and not attending a virtual workshop. You can register at theheartofaloha.com/service-page/aloha-workshop. Sister, you don't have to live with that inner critic anymore. You can learn to quiet it and remember your self-worth, and not someday, but starting right now. So if something in you is stirring as you hear this, trust that knowing. Ika pona mea, right time, right place, right being. I'd love to have you join us on October 22nd. Aloha po mai ka'i mauloa. Love and blessings to you always.